As long as your hands are clean, don't fear their lies. As long as your heart is pure, don't fear their gossip. Let them beat the drum of shame for you. Soon they will dance to that same rhythm themselves. The trap they set for you will catch their own feet. The stone they rolled for you will roll back at them. Because when your hands are clean, God fights for you. They talk behind you because they can't stand your strength. They try to stain your name because yours shines brighter. But don't fight back with words. Fight back with silence, with growth, with success. Let them mock, let them judge, but never let them break you. Walk with boldness. Walk with peace. Because when your hands are clean, even their loudest noise becomes silence before heaven. You don't owe them a reaction. You owe yourself peace. They'll dance to the shame they created, and you'll rise without saying a word. Drop amen if you receive this message and join our community for more. God bless you.